Top 15 easy low-carb breakfasts that won't spike your blood sugar. Ever tried Googling best breakfast for diabetics? You'll get hit with a wave of mixed advice. One site says skip the carbs altogether. Another throws in a recipe with 40 grams of carbs in one serving. It's honestly confusing. Here's the thing, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to breakfast and diabetes. But after years of trying different approaches, what's worked best for me is keeping carbs low, but not cutting them out completely. So, in this video, everything I share is based on that middle ground. Balanced, blood sugar-friendly breakfasts that actually taste good and don't leave you starving an hour later. 1. Low-carb pancake with almond flour missing pancakes because of your blood sugar? This one changes everything. Almond flour pancakes are a low-carb dream come true for people with diabetes. They're soft, fluffy, and won't send your blood sugar soaring like traditional pancakes. What makes almond flour stand out is its natural mix of healthy fats, protein, and low carbs. This combo helps slow digestion and keeps your sugar levels stable after breakfast. Just one serving has around 260 calories, only 9.4 grams of carbs, and a good 12.5 grams of protein. That means you get the comfort of pancakes without the crash that usually follows. You can top them with a few fresh berries or some sugar-free syrup for a breakfast that feels like a weekend treat. It's a great reminder that living with diabetes doesn't mean giving up your favorite foods. It just means learning how to tweak them so they support your body instead of working against it. These pancakes are cozy, delicious, and totally blood sugar friendly. 2. Bacon egg cup. If mornings are always a rush, but you still want something that fills you up without spiking your blood sugar, bacon egg cups might be your new go-to. They're easy, tasty, and perfect for a breakfast on the move. Instead of having your bacon and eggs on a plate, just bake them into a handy little cup. No mess, no need for a fork, and no guilt. The best part? They're incredibly low in carbs, only 0.6 grams per cup, so they won't impact your blood sugar. Plus, each cup packs 8.2 grams of protein and a good dose of healthy fats, which help keep you full and satisfied throughout the morning. And let's face it, there's something incredibly satisfying about crispy bacon wrapping everything up. Whether you're heading out the door or just want a stress-free breakfast, these cups are quick to make, easy to store, and they reheat perfectly. It's a delicious, simple, and health-conscious way to start your day. 3. Low-carb cauliflower oatmeal. If you're craving oatmeal but want something that won't spike your blood sugar, this low-carb cauliflower oatmeal is the perfect solution. It's a surprisingly tasty, grain-free twist on the classic, and honestly, it's one of those meals that makes you feel good inside and out. The base is cauliflower, which gives you all the comfort of oatmeal without the carbs. You'll still get a warm, cozy bowl that fills you up, but with only 16.3 grams of carbs per serving, way less than traditional oats. Plus, it's packed with veggies, yep, a full cup, so you're sneaking in some extra nutrition without even trying. With 139 calories, 6.6 grams of fat, and 6.8 grams of protein. It's a balanced breakfast that keeps you satisfied throughout the morning. You can easily customize it with cinnamon, a splash of almond milk, or even a handful of berries to add flavor. It's a unique, creative breakfast that shows you don't have to sacrifice flavor or comfort just to keep your blood sugar in check. 4. Easy keto egg bake. If you're the type of person who loves having breakfast ready to go in the morning, then this easy keto egg bake is a total lifesaver. The best part? You can make it ahead of time, whether it's the night before or even a few days earlier, and just reheat it when you're ready to eat. It's a no-stress, no-fuss kind of breakfast that saves you time in the morning while still being super satisfying. Packed with 22.6 grams of protein and 22.3 grams of healthy fats, this egg bake will keep you feeling full and energized throughout the morning. And with only 7.9 grams of carbs, it won't send your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride. Whether you prefer it plain or like to add some veggies, cheese, or bacon, this dish is easily customizable to suit your taste. So if you're someone who needs a quick and filling breakfast that's also keto-friendly, this egg bake is exactly what you've been looking for. 5. Chocolate protein pancake. If you're a chocolate lover but still want to keep your blood sugar in check, These chocolate protein pancakes are the perfect way to indulge without the guilt. They're rich in chocolate flavor, yet surprisingly low in carbs, just 5 grams per serving, making them a great choice for anyone watching their blood sugar. Each pancake gives you a solid 19 grams of protein, so it'll keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. With 31.3 grams of healthy fats, these pancakes are also a great way to get a balanced, energizing start to your day. The best part? You can enjoy them just like you would any other pancake, drizzled with sugar-free syrup or topped with some fresh berries. They offer that indulgent, chocolatey goodness without the blood sugar spike, giving you a breakfast that's as tasty as it is good for you. Plus, they're quick and easy to make. What more could you ask for? 6. Low Carb Smoothie Bowl with Berries. If you're looking for a super quick, refreshing breakfast that won't spike your blood sugar, this low-carb smoothie bowl with berries is perfect. It's as easy as blending a few ingredients together and then adding your favorite toppings. In just 5 minutes, you've got a delicious breakfast that's packed with nutrients. Each bowl gives you only 4.1 grams of carbs, making it a great choice for anyone trying to keep their blood sugar levels stable. With 17.6 grams of protein and 9.2 grams of healthy fats, it's a satisfying, balanced meal that helps fuel your day without weighing you down. Top it off with a handful of fresh berries, a sprinkle of chia seeds, or even a little coconut for some extra flavor. It's light, energizing, and perfect for those busy mornings when you need something quick but nutritious. Plus, the fact that it's so customizable means you can enjoy a different version every day. 7. Skinny Peppermint Mocha. If you love a warm, comforting drink to kickstart your morning but want to keep things light on the carbs, the Skinny Peppermint Mocha is a perfect choice. While it's not a full meal, it's an amazing way to begin your day with a little bit of indulgence without the sugar spike. With only 66 calories and 5.3 grams of carbs per serving, it's a low-impact option that won't send your blood sugar soaring. Plus, it's packed with 4.8 grams of protein and 3.2 grams of healthy fats, so you're still getting a bit of balance in your drink. The peppermint flavor adds that festive touch, making it feel like a treat without being loaded with sugar. It's a cozy, guilt-free way to enjoy that rich mocha flavor you crave and get your day off to a great start, especially on those chilly mornings when you just need a little pick-me-up. 8. Simple Tofu Scramble. If you're looking for a quick, high-protein breakfast that's also vegan-friendly, this simple tofu scramble is a must-try. It's incredibly easy to make. All you need is 8 ingredients, 1 pan, and just 10 minutes to whip up a filling, satisfying meal. Packed with 20.5 grams of protein, it's perfect for fueling your day and keeping you energized for hours. The best part? It's low on the carb scale, with only 16.6 grams per serving, so it won't spike your blood sugar. With 11 grams of healthy fats, this tofu scramble keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, it's super versatile. You can throw in any veggies or seasonings you like to give it your own personal twist. It's the kind of breakfast that's both quick to make and even quicker to enjoy, leaving you with plenty of energy to tackle whatever the day brings. So whether you're vegan or just looking to change up your routine, this tofu scramble is a winner every time. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and wellness insights. 9. Low-carb, cheesy cauliflower fritters. If you love having breakfast ready to go without all the fuss, these low-carb, cheesy cauliflower fritters are a game changer. You can easily make them ahead of time and store them in the fridge, so when morning rolls around, breakfast is already taken care of. They stay fresh for up to 3 days in an airtight container, making them perfect for busy mornings. With only 86 calories per fritter and just 3.8 grams of carbs, they're a great way to enjoy something filling without worrying about blood sugar spikes. Each fritter has 6.2 grams of healthy fats and 4.7 grams of protein, so they'll keep you satisfied and energized. The cheesy flavor adds a delicious twist, making them feel like a treat while still being healthy. Whether you eat them on their own or pair them with a side of veggies or eggs, these fritters are a simple, tasty breakfast that makes your morning so much easier. 10. Keto Chaffles. If you're looking for a quick and easy breakfast that's low in carbs but high in flavor, Keto Chaffles are your new go-to. The best part? You only need 3 ingredients and about 10 minutes to make them. They're crispy, cheesy, and packed with 21.5 grams of protein to keep you full and energized. With just 3.5 grams of carbs and 20.5 grams of healthy fats, they're perfect for anyone managing their blood sugar levels. What makes these chaffles even better is that you can enjoy them right away or store them in the freezer for easy meal prep. Just pop them in the toaster for a quick breakfast when you need it. They're so versatile too. Whether you top them with avocado, berries, or a bit of sugar-free syrup, they'll hit the spot every time. Keto Chaffles are a simple, satisfying, and flexible breakfast that makes managing your blood sugar a whole lot easier. 11th, Keto Overnight Oats. If you're missing the comforting texture of overnight oats but want to keep your carbs low, this Keto Overnight Oats recipe is the perfect solution. Instead of traditional oats, this version uses hemp hearts, chia seeds, and shredded coconut to give you that hearty, satisfying texture without the carbs. It's a filling, nutrient-packed breakfast that can be made ahead of time, so you don't have to worry about prepping it in the morning. With 462 calories, 22.3 grams of protein, and 36.4 grams of healthy fats, it's a balanced meal that will keep you energized for hours. The best part? It only has 13.6 grams of carbs, making it ideal for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar. You can top it with berries, nuts, or a little sugar-free sweetener, but honestly, it's delicious as is. This Keto Overnight Oats recipe is the perfect way to enjoy a familiar, hearty breakfast while keeping things low-carb and blood sugar-friendly. 12. Low-carb Cottage Cheesy Pancake. If you're looking for a breakfast that's as simple as it is satisfying, the low-carb Cottage Cheesy Pancake is a fantastic choice. It's just as easy to make as regular pancakes. Just blend the ingredients into a smooth batter and fry them up. The key difference? These pancakes are packed with protein, thanks to the cottage cheese, and they're still low on carbs, making them perfect for anyone watching their blood sugar. With only 19 grams of carbs per serving, 1.5 grams of fat, and a hefty 24.5 grams of protein, they'll keep you feeling full and energized for hours. These pancakes are a great way to enjoy a familiar breakfast without all the extra carbs that come with traditional pancakes. Top them with a few berries or some sugar-free syrup, and you've got a delicious, blood sugar-friendly breakfast that's as easy as it is tasty. 13. Low-sodium waffles. If you're looking for a breakfast that's both delicious and diabetes-friendly, these low-sodium waffles are a must-try. They're low in carbs, gluten-free, and packed with flavor, yet they're so tasty that you'll forget they're healthy. With just 5.2 grams of carbs per waffle, they're perfect for anyone keeping an eye on their blood sugar. Each waffle has 8.8 grams of protein to keep you feeling full and satisfied, and 14 grams of healthy fats to fuel your morning. They're incredibly easy to make, and you can top them with your favorite sugar-free syrup, a handful of berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. These waffles prove that you don't have to sacrifice taste for health. They strike the perfect balance between both. Whether you're making them for yourself or your whole family, these waffles are a crowd pleaser that won't derail your health goals. 14. Low-sodium spinach quiche. If you're craving a hearty, savory breakfast that's both satisfying and low-sodium, this low-sodium spinach quiche is the perfect choice. Packed with flavorful spinach, fluffy eggs, earthy mushrooms, and savory onions, each bite is full of taste, and the cheesy goodness makes every slice absolutely irresistible. With only 5.9 grams of carbs per serving, it's a great option for anyone managing their blood sugar levels. The 13.3 grams of protein will keep you feeling full and energized, while the 13.9 grams of healthy fats provide a satisfying richness. It's easy to make, and you can even prepare it ahead of time for a quick, filling breakfast during busy mornings. Whether you enjoy it warm or cold, this quiche is a comforting, low-carb option that's packed with nutrients and flavor. Perfect for anyone looking for a satisfying, flavorful start to their day that won't spike their blood sugar. 15. Healthy egg muffins with turkey bacon. If you're looking for a simple, delicious breakfast that you can easily grab on the go, these healthy egg muffins with turkey bacon are a perfect solution. They're quick to prep, taste amazing, and can be stored in the fridge and reheated the next day, making them an ideal choice for busy mornings. With only 2 grams of carbs per muffin, They're perfect for managing your blood sugar without sacrificing flavor. Each muffin packs 13 grams of protein and 6 grams of healthy fats, so they'll keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, the turkey bacon adds a savory, satisfying flavor that will have you looking forward to breakfast every day. These egg muffins are not only tasty but incredibly convenient, making them a great low-carb, high-protein option for anyone on the go. Whether you need a quick breakfast or a protein-packed snack, these egg muffins check all the boxes. I hope these 15 low-carb breakfast ideas have inspired you to take control of your blood sugar while still enjoying delicious meals. Whether you're a fan of pancakes, smoothies, or egg-based dishes, there's something here for everyone. And the best part? You don't have to worry about blood sugar spikes. These recipes are designed to help you manage your diabetes with ease. If you're ready for even more tips and recipes to help you take control of your health, check out my cooking channel. I've got delicious diabetes-friendly recipes that are perfect for making healthy eating fun and easy. Tap the link now and start cooking with me. If you're looking for more tips on eating well with diabetes, check out the rest of my videos on this channel. I've got tons of helpful ideas that make managing diabetes easier and more enjoyable. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. I'm always here to help and support you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate your support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.